How to sign up for hosting affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for hosting affiliate program. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. First thing first, let's understand what hosting affiliate programs are all about. Hosting affiliate program allow you to earn a commission by referring customer to hosting providers. When someone you refer sign up for a hosting plan, you earn a commission. It's a fantastic way to monetize your blog, website or online presence. First, you need to choose a hosting provider to promote, research and pick one that aligns with your audience and interests. Once you open the page, scroll down and go to the footer section. Here you will see an option of affiliate programs. Click on it. On the affiliate program page, you will typically find a sign up or join now button. Click on it to start the application. I'll click on join now. You'll be directed to the hosting provider's affiliate application form. Provide your personal detail including your name, email address, website URL and payment information. You also need to provide your company information like your account display name, company website, your country, your address, your zip code, your phone number and so on. And here you need to provide promotional information, and here are the agreements. You can download program terms, and here are some payout details. Carefully review your application to ensure all information is accurate. Then click on sign up to send your application. After submitting, the hosting provider will review your application. Approval may take a few business days. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email notification with access to your hosting affiliate dashboard. This is how you can sign up for hosting affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.